Tired of messy spreadsheets and chaotic data holding back your sales success? Let's get those deals into Pipedrive, boosting your efficiency and pipeline visibility in just a few easy steps. First, click on the Deals tab in the sidebar menu. Next, find the three dots or the More Options menu, usually in the top right corner. And from the drop-down list, select Import Data. You will now be on the Data Import page. If you are using a spreadsheet file, like a CSV or Excel file, select from a spreadsheet. Next, upload your file by selecting Choose File and finding the relevant document on your computer. Ensure your file has column headers for key deal information like title, organization, person, value, and stage. Now, it's time to map the columns. On the left, you'll see the columns from your spreadsheet. On the right, match each column to the appropriate field in Pipedrive. Pipedrive will automatically try to match fields, but double-check to ensure accuracy. If your spreadsheet has a header row, make sure skip the first rows. Check this prevents your header row from being imported as a deal. Pipedrive will begin importing your deals. Once the import is complete, you will see a summary. If any deals failed to import, you can download a report to review the errors. Congratulations, your deals are now in Pipedrive, ready to be managed and closed.